இந்த வீடியோல மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் 8th செமஸ்டர் இன்ஜினியரிங் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ்ல இருக்க MCQ கொஸ்டின்ஸை பார்க்கலாம். Which of the following are economic goals? Option A price stability, option B efficiency, option C growth, option D all of the above. Correct answer என்னன்னா option D all of the above. Next question, a significant reduction in an unemployment will lead to an increase in option A inflation, option B profit, option C efficiency, option D cost. Correct answer என்னன்னா option A inflation. Next question, the point of intersection of the supply curve and demand curve is option A stability point, option B equilibrium point, option C optimum point, option D none of the above. Correct answer என்னன்னா option B equilibrium point. Next question, which of the factor does not influencing demand? Option A income of the people, option B price of related goods, option C cost of the input, option D taste of customer. Correct answer என்னன்னா option C cost of the input. Next question, which of the factor influence the supply? Option A technology, option B weather, option C price of related goods, option D all of the above. Correct answer என்னன்னா option D all of the above. Next question, if the cost of input increases, then naturally the cost of product will go up. In such a situation, the prevailing price of the product margin per unit will be option A more, option B less, option C same, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B less. Next question, the ratio of the output to input of a physical system is option A technical efficiency, option B economic efficiency, option C efficiency, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option A technical efficiency. Next question, the ratio of the output to input of a business system is option A technical efficiency, option B economic efficiency, option C efficiency, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option B economic efficiency. Next question, economic efficiency is also called as option A stability, option B productivity, option C profitability, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B productivity. Next question, which of the following ways is used to improve productivity? Option A increased output for a same output, option D decreased input for a same output, option C simultaneous increase in output with decrease in input, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. Next question, which of the following are characteristics of BEP? Option A, there is no loss and no profit to the firm. Option B, total revenue is equal to total cost. Option C, contribution is equal to fixed cost. Option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. Next question, which of the following are limitation of break-even analysis? Option A static concept, option B capital employed is taken into account, option C limitation of non-linear behavior of cost, option D limitation of presence of perfect competition. Correct answer is option A static concept. Next question, using equation method break-even point is calculated as option A sales equal to variable expense plus fixed expense plus profit, option B sales equal to variable expense plus fixed expense minus profit, option C sales equal to variable expense minus fixed expense plus profit, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option A sales equal to variable expense plus fixed expense plus profit. Next question, given selling price is rupees 10 per unit, variable cost is rupees 6 per unit and fixed cost is rupees 5,000. What is the break even point? Option A 500 unit, option B 1000 unit, option C 1250 unit, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C 1250 unit. Next question, contribution is also known as option A contribution margin, option B net margin, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option A contribution margin. Next question, given selling price is rupees 20 per unit, variable cost is rupees 16 per unit, contribution is option A rupees 1.25 per unit, option B rupees 4 per unit, option C rupees 0.8 per unit, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B rupees 4 per unit. Next question, which of the following are assumption for break even analysis? Option A elements of cost cannot be divided into different group. Option B, fixed cost remains certain from zero production to full capacity. Option C, behavior of different cost is linear. Option D, selling per price unit remain constant. Correct answer is option B, B, C, D. Fixed cost remain certain from zero production to full capacity. Behavior of different cost is linear. Selling per price unit remains constant. Next question. Cost of sales plus profit. Option A, factory cost. Option B, cost of production. Option C, sales. Option D, selling price per unit. Correct answer is option C, sales. Next question. Past cost of an equipment are assessed. Option A, marginal cost. Option B, marginal revenue. Option C, sunk cost. Option D, opportunity cost. Correct answer is option C, sunk cost. Next question. The cost of production an additional unit of the product. Option A, marginal cost. Option B, marginal revenue. Option C, sunk cost. Option D, opportunity cost. Correct answer is option A, marginal cost. Next question. Which one of the following definition is correct? Option A, the ratio of total debt to shareholder equity is called debt ratio speed. Option B, the ratio debt to total assets is called debt to total assets ratio. Option C, the ratio of earning before interest and tax for a particular reporting period to the amount of interest charges for a period is called interest coverage ratio. Option D, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Next question. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, overhead rate equal to total overhead in rupees for period by direct labor in rupees for period, air and fuel. Option B, overhead cost per unit equal to overhead ratio into direct labor cost by unit. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Next question. If S is a future capital accumulated in N years at a rate of interest I per annum, then present worth is. Correct answer is option A, S by 1 plus I into N. Next question. The financial analysis. Option A helps a shareholder to compare the expected return on his investment in the firm against the expected return from other alternative investment. Option B helps a bank to know the financial position of the firm from granting a loan to the firm. Option C helps to judge the success of the firm financial plan. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question. A project construction cost estimate include option A, the labor and material cost. Option B, the equipment and overhead cost. Option C, the profit of the contractor. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question. Earning per share is the most important ratio for fuel used. Option A, shareholder. Option B, bank. Option C, company's management. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question. Current ratio is option A, current assessed by current liability. Option B, current assessed plus loan by current liability. Option C, current assessed plus loan advance by current liability. Option D, none of this. Correct answer is option A, current assessed by current liabilities. Next question. The alternative which are stand-alone solution for given situation in engineering involve idling. Option A, purchase cost. Option B, the anticipated life of assets. Option C, the anticipated resellable value and the interest return. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question. The CRF is also known as CRF EP 8% 7, where option A, 8% is the rate of interest per year. Option B, money is borrowed for n equal to 7 years. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Next question. Keeping in view the feasibility order of magnitude, the preliminary conceptual or budget estimates are prepared by option A, architect, engineer. Option B, construction manager. Option C, owner himself. Option D, construction manager. Correct answer is option C, owner himself. Next question. Liquidity ratio are used. Option A, to measure a firm ability to meet shortcut obligation. Option B, to compare short-term obligation to short-term resource available to meet this obligation. Option C, to obtain much insight into present cash solvency of the firm and firm ability to remain solvent in the event of adversity. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question, each financial ratio is generally compared by option A past ratio calculated from the past financial standard of the firm. Option B, a ratio developed by using the projected financial statement of the firm. Option C, a ratio of some selected firm most progressive and successful at the point of consideration. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, ratio analysis is the procedure of determining and interpreting numerical relation of various items of the financial statement. Option B, all financial ratio are obtained by relating two sets of information contained in a single financial statement. Option C, the relationship between two accounting figures expressed mathematically is known as financial ratio. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question, present worth annuity is generally known as option A, premium annuity, option B, income annuity, option C, future annuity, option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question, pick up the method used for project evaluation and selection in capital budgeting for the following. Option A, payback period, option B, internal ratio of return, option C, net present worth, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, the capital required to get a project started is the first cost. Option B, the first cost is a single cash or a series of cash flow that are made in the beginning of the activity lifespan. Option C, the first cost of purchasing a car is a sum of down payment, tax and dealer charges. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, the difference between sales revenue and cost of goods sold is known as gross profit. Option B, a gross profit percentage is the average profit margin obtained on goods sold. Option C, the relationship of contributions to sales is known as contribution ratio. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question, the key to profitable operation for project cost control is option A, to keep the project cost equal to original cost estimate. Option B, to keep the project cost equal to subsequent construction budget. Option C, to keep the project cost within the cost budget and knowing when and where job costs are debating. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option C, to keep the project cost within the cost budget and knowing when and where job costs are debating. Next question, in a cash flow series, option A, uniform gradient signifies that an income or disbursement changes by a same account in each trust period. Option B, either an increase or decrease in the amount of cash flow is called the gradient. Option C, the gradient in a cash flow may be positive or negative. Option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question, what is considered as a basic consuming or demanding unit of the commodity? Option A, seller. Option B, manufacturer. Option C, producer. Option D, buyer or consumer. Correct answer is option D, buyer or consumer. Next question, what market situation exists where there is only one buyer and only one seller? Option A, monopoly. Option B, monopoly. Option C, bilateral monopoly. Option D, bilateral monopoly. Correct answer is option C, bilateral monopoly. Next question, under condition of perfect competition, the price at which a given product will be supplied and purchased is a price that will result in a supply and demand being equal. This statement is known as option A, law of diminishing return. Option B, law of supply. Option C, law of demand. Option D, law of supply and demand. Correct answer is option D, law of supply and demand. Next question, under ordinary simple ratio, how many days in 1 year? Option A, 300. Option B, 360. Option C, 365. Option D, 366. Correct answer is option D, 360. Next question, what refers to the amount of money paid for a use of borrowed capital? Option A, interest. Option B, rate of interest. Option C, simple interest. Option D, principal. Correct answer என்னன்னா option A, interest. Next question, a uniform series of payment occurring at equal interval of time is called option A, annuity. Option B, amortization. Option C, depreciation. Option D, bond. Correct answer என்னன்னா option A, annuity. Next question, what is defined as a reduction or fall of the value of an asset due to constant use and passage of time? Option A, depletion. Option B, inflation. Option C, depreciation. Option D, deflation. Correct answer என்ன option C, depreciation. இதோட continuation next video பார்க்கலாம்.